Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Mathematics. Myself Rekha Chabra, your maths teacher. Students, I would request you all to please like, share and subscribe this channel if still not done, and keep watching these videos on the regular basis. So today we are going to discuss a new topic of chapter number 1 sets, which is complement of a set. So let's see what is the meaning of complement and how we write it. Complement of a set means all the elements of universal set which are not in set A, and it is denoted by A and this dash. We have taken three sets for an example, and then we have taken a universal set. If you remember, universal set is the source set of all the sets. So you can see that all the elements of A, B, C are present in universal set. Now, as per the definition, complement of any set, let's say we have to calculate complement of A. So this is universal set minus set A. So universal set minus set A, because the definition says all elements of universal set which are not present in A. So we have to subtract set A from universal set. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are the common elements and we will subtract that, and this is the answer. This is complement of set A. Now, if you want to understand with the help of Venn diagram, it is there in front of you that this rectangular region always represent the universal set, and this circular region always represent the set. So let's say let it be set A, and now we want to find out complement of A. So again, as per the definition, all the elements of universal set which are not in A. So it means basically we have to remove this set A, we have to delete, we have to ignore this set A, and rest all the elements of universal set are called as complement of set A. So here this blue region represents A complement. Now there are few properties of complement. Complement laws, first of all, first part, A union A complement. If we take the union of A and A complement, then we always get universal set. And if we take intersection of A and A complement, so we always get phi, means empty set. Second, very important, De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law, again we have two laws. First one is A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement, and the second one is A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Third is law of double complementation. It means if we take complement of complement, then we are going to get the same set in return. Fourth is laws of empty set and universal set. So phi means empty set. So if we take the complement of phi, this is equal to U, means universal set. And if we take the complement of universal set, so that is equal to phi. These are few properties or laws. Now let's see De Morgan's law. This is very important law. De Morgan law is based on complement of sets. There are two laws. So let us prove the De Morgan's law. Let's take the first part and let's try to prove it with the help of Venn diagrams. So let's take two sets A and B like this. This is universal set, and A and B, these two sets we have taken. Now we are proving the first De Morgan's law. A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So let's take the left hand side. First of all, we will calculate A union B. So the elements lie either in A or in B. So A union B means this blue region represents A union B. Now we have to take the complement of this blue region. So the complement of this blue region is this. A union B whole complement is this thing. So left hand side is this blue region. Now let's come to right hand side. In right hand side, first of all, let's calculate A complement. A complement means we have to leave A and we have to consider rest everything of universal set. Then let's take B complement. B complement means all the region excluding set B. Then after that, what we have to take? We have to take their intersection. Means you can observe, it is there in front of you, that which region is common in these two figures. So yes, this outside area is common in these two figures. So it means A complement intersection B complement is this blue region, which is equal to left hand side. So this De Morgan law is proved. Now second De Morgan's law is also like that, and you can prove it yourself with the help of Venn diagram. Please try yourself. Now let's see one example. Let U be the universal set of all the students of class 11th of a co-educational school and A be the set of all girls in class 11th. So we have to find A complement. In a co-educational school, everybody knows that there can be boys and girls in the school. If A is the set of all the girls, then what will be A complement? Definitely set of all the boys. So set of all students means universal set minus set of all girls. So A complement will be set of all the boys in class 11th. I hope this is clear. Now let's take one more example. Here universal set we have taken, and then set A and B, two different sets we have taken. We have to find out these things and then we will prove the same De Morgan's law. Not with the help of Venn diagram. Here we'll do it practically and we'll see. So first of all we have to calculate A complement. So U minus A, universal set minus set A. So we will subtract the common elements 2 and 3, and 1 4 5 6, this is A complement. Then we have to find out B complement. So U minus B, again we will subtract the common elements 3 4 and 5. So the answer is 1 2 and 6. Now what we need A complement intersection B complement. So this is A complement, this is B complement, and we will take their intersection, means common elements, so 1 and 6. So now what we have to take, we have to find out A union B. So A union B means set A and set B, and we will take A union B means 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have to prove this De Morgan's law. So let's take left hand side A union B whole complement. So as the definition says that complement of any set means all the elements of universal set minus all the elements of that specific set. So A union B whole complement is equal to universal set minus A union B. Now we will take universal set minus A union B. Here we have calculated 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we will subtract. So what is the answer we are getting? We are getting 1 and 6. And what is A complement intersection B complement? That is also 1 and 6, and A union B whole complement, that is also 1 and 6. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is proved. This is only De Morgan's law. We have seen how to prove with the help of Venn diagram or with the help of numbers. So I hope you must have understood. Now you can also take some other examples and you also try to prove the other De Morgan's law. And please students, don't forget to write your name, class, section in the comment box. Thank you very much.